My name is Rahul Sharma. I'm a resident of Raipur, Chhattisgarh. My hair fall started since the days of my college itself, but slowly they were increasing a lot. So I came to know about new routes, basically from the internet, and then I visited this clinic. It was a very good experience. All the persons who were dealing, they were highly professional. The pain was very less, means it was bearable. And today I have came for changing of my dressing, and as on today the pain is very less, and I'm feeling better also.